Welcome to Mark by the Mile. I'm Eric. Thank you all for stopping by. I'm going to go ahead and get this one drawer 30-inch service cart by US General built out with the 4-drawer folding tray, as well as the magnetic cup holder with the screwdriver holder as well for the side. I'm going to go ahead and get that built out, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're getting this all set up to mount out these US General pieces that came damaged from my one drawer unit here. Has some scratches in it from the manufacturer. It looks like some like wheel marks or something. I don't know if y'all could see them on there. So I'm going to go ahead and take the insides. I'm going to do the top piece as well. Probably not show them well, but I'm going to go ahead and tape those out. I'm going to put some plastic around it and spray some textured black powder coat paint at the bottom and make them more reliable and durable than they were when they came out of the factory. Go ahead and keep the US General service cart, the one drawer here that came damaged. Actually, both of them, the top and the bottom, pretty banged up. Looks like something from the factory, like some kind of roller or some kind of press machine. Is what it is. So my wife actually came out here, helped me knock these out real quick, prep them out. Gonna go and get those painted, and I'll get back to you and show you what they turned out like. All right, so we're back. We got the top and the bottom of the US General cart painted. Got all the bolts laid out. Went ahead and got that all set up, so we're going to get it put together here. Black powder coat came out really good on it. Still got the plastic. We're going to get that taken off here, but got a textured black paint on it, and so far they're looking really good. We'll see how they came out when we get the plastic off. Now I've got that texture powder coat black paint on the bottom, and definitely happy with the way it came out. All right, so now we got the bottom and the top both unwrapped from the plastic. They both came out really good. Definitely happy with the way it turned out. So now the top and the bottom both have the black textured powder coat painting on it. Looking really well. Actually look more durable and actually better than the condition that I received them in out of the factory. So definitely happy with the way they turned out. We're going to go ahead and get this part built. All right, guys, we're all set. Back here ready to get the final piece of this service cart put together. Got the 4-drawer folding tray all sprayed with the black powder coat paint as well. Did 3 coats on that. Gonna go ahead and get that unwrapped, see how it came out, as well as use the 1764 drill bit here to drill it out once we put it up here and get it marked, and then use the center punch. Gonna go ahead and get that all squared away, center punch it. Alright, so we're back here with the end result, and hopefully you guys like the way that the modifications came out here on this US General cart that I picked up from Harbor Freight. It did come pretty scratched up on the bottom and top, so we did do the 3 coats of powdered textured black paint. Did use the Rust-Oleum over here, worked out really well. And then on the side here, just did a center punch, went ahead and drilled the top, actually got them to where it worked out to where it didn't even go into the original hole on the bottom. Just got a little bit longer of the screw here on the side. It did come out just a tad bit longer, not bad. Happy with the results. Came out right above the hole there. Textured black paint, did 3 coats on all 3 pieces. It looks like it actually came from the factory that way. Overall, hope you guys like the modifications here. And if you wanted to take the time to do it, I definitely recommend it. I think it came out well. Until next time, thank you for checking out my videos, and y'all have a blessed day.